members of the diplomatic corps, distinguished guests, members of the medical fraternity. On behalf, I offer my sincere gratitude to you, Nation Fiji. We will begin this morning's in our Foundation's 4 years of is today a growing and an
Thank you, Mr. Mahendra Tapu, the Chairman and Founding Trustee. Mrs. Maya Tapu, Founding Trustee. Mr. Rajendra Kumar, Trustee. Mr. Kamlesh Tapu, Trustee. Dr. Kupali Tapu, Director of Sai Sanjivani Children's Heart Hospital, Fiji. Mr. Sumit Tapu, Director of the Sai Prema Foundation Fiji. Invited guests, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. Bulavinaka, Namaste, and good morning to you all. And I thank you for inviting me to share this 4th anniversary of the Sai Prema Foundation Fiji with you. Two things stood out to me as I looked at the work you have been doing as I prepared to speak to you today. The first is the truly amazing number of things that you have accomplished in 4 years. I think any organization would be proud to accomplish this much in 10 or 12 years. It is a testament to your clear sense of purpose, your devotion to humanitarian service, your drive, and of course your ability to make plans and execute them faithfully. The second thing that struck me is the work you have done to promote heart health in Fiji. I think that is fitting because anyone who looks objectively about the ideals, the energy and the spirit of this foundation would agree that it is all about the heart, that the work of the Sai Prema Foundation Fiji comes from a very big heart. We often think of foundation in terms of their endowment, their disbursements and their accomplishments, but money really is nothing without a noble purpose and true compassion. The organization's very large heart beats steadily under some very broad shoulders too. Those shoulders have carried the hopes and eased the misfortunes of thousands of Fijians. Fijians who need specialized medical care. Fijians who did not have the means to feed their families. Fijian children who now have better education. Of course, Mary and I are deeply honored to be patron and patronage of the Sai Sanjivani's Children's Heart Hospital, a facility that will save the lives of countless children who suffer from congenital heart disease in Fiji and the Pacific. In Fiji, it is government's responsibility to provide education, healthcare, and social services to the people. But as I keep saying, no government can do it all alone. The true value of any society is found not in what it asks the government to do, but in what people do to make their society better. What they do through their government and what they do by joining together. The partnership government has formed with the Sai Prema Foundation Fiji are an excellent example of the public and private sectors bringing their assets together to do things that would be more difficult for one of us to do it alone. Fortunately in Fiji, we have a strong tradition of civic action. We have many groups that support different causes, and our society is richer for the work they do. I believe that we all have a duty to each other, not just as Fiji citizens, but as human beings. And if more act out of compassion and concern for our country and our fellow citizens, the easier it will be to build a Fiji that truly realizes its potential. You do that by promoting physical and mental well-being among the underprivileged, but also by upholding human values in a world that can at times seem cruel and selfish. I'm particularly moved by your mission to promote love, peace, and unity among all Fijians, and to promote better spiritual well-being. And you live those principles by providing your services at no cost to all Fijians, irrespective of race, religion, caste, or creed. The Sai Prema Foundation Fiji has made many promises since founding 4 years ago, and I'm pleased to say that it has kept everyone. Thanks to you, we opened a new Sai Sanjivani Medical Center in 2018, and the following year, I inaugurated the South Pacific's first children's heart screening center. Sai Sanjivani Medical Center has served more than 12,000 people completely free of cost. By bringing in teams of specialist children's heart surgeons and support personnel from overseas to operate on our children suffering from congenital heart disease, the Sai Prema Foundation has saved the lives of 73 children and brought happiness to many families. These children now have a real future, thanks to you. It wasn't long before you promised to develop the South Pacific First Children's Heart Hospital, which would be finished by now, were it not for the COVID pandemic. But it is almost finished, and I look forward to cutting the ribbon for when it opens. These, of course, are the most visible programs, but the day-to-day work that you do is making the lives of many Fijians better by bringing medical care to rural communities, by caring for orphans, by collecting blood, by distributing free meals to the needy. My government fully supports the work of the Sai Prema Foundation projects and initiatives because of the great benefits they bring to this country and because of the example they set for others who have enjoyed success and have the means to share their blessings with their fellow Fijians. Ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, the great faiths of the world instruct their believers to perform works of charity. It is one of the many things that we have in common and that we can admire in each other. The great religions call on us to serve humanity as an expression of faith in God. For Christians, the admonition comes from the writings of the evangelist St. Luke, who quotes Jesus as saying, "For everyone to whom much is given, from him much will be required, and to whom much has been committed, of him they will ask more." We who have much must do more to help those in need, whether we are Christians, Hindus, or Muslims. It is our calling. And so I proudly join you today in proclaiming the Foundation's governing principles, which you are serving in an admirable way. Love all, serve all. Help ever, hurt never. Hands that help are holier than lips that pray. I wish you all a very happy 4th anniversary. Thank you.